quick video today for one of my followers, Julian. So back onto the camper, he wants to know what's happening with it. Follow-up videos. So I have made a load of progress on it. I've actually got the engine in. I've got a load of footage of the work that we did, and I'll upload that very soon, like in days. I'll start putting the video together today actually and upload it as soon as I can, but I'll just show you what I've done so far. So it's in, and it just needs piping up, and the electric's doing. I'll just slowly show so you can see. Anyone that wants to have a look and see what goes where and what I've done. It's sometimes handy just to have a bit of footage just to see things. So these are the original pipes. Obviously I've not got around to piping up yet, but it looks like they all basically go onto this block the same as on the diesel block. I've not seen anything different yet, but I've not had a proper look at it yet, just a quick brief look, but everything's looking good. So looking at the videos, I think this has been here about 3 years now. I didn't realise how long I've been doing it. Oh, surely it can't be 3 years. Door needs a new runner on it. So yeah. Progress is being made, and I'll update a proper video soon showing everything that I did to the engine. So I've got some more bits here. I needed one of them. I think I have to get a different breather pipe for the crankcase or something up to the rocker. I think that's different, unless I can make something. I've not properly looked into it yet. That's an inline fuel pump. You have to use a different tank apparently, but I'm guessing the fuel tank's a fuel tank. You can make some changes and probably use the original one. There's an exhaust down there. Yeah, just some bits I took out the back of the camper. So yeah, it'll make a good van when it's done. It was a good van before I had problems with the diesel engine. That's why I decided to put the Golf engine in. I'd like to keep it. Not sure I can because of all the other things I've got, like the E30 and all my bikes and everything else, my van. Just have to see how it goes. But anyway, that's a quick update, and I'll bring another one soon with work that I did to the engine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.